Surviving when you on the lineup. Can't you see that there is something wrong, or are you just as blind as all the ones beside you? Just remember that the world is running by the hands of men who handle guns for violence.
Crucial issues that get pushed aside. Wish we could get you to try to take a look inside and awaken that which has slept too long. Cause twisted minds have led you wrong. I just delivered the message, I don't need no thanks. I ain't talking about my riches, I ain't slinging no crown. See, war and poverty, violence and hate are all connected, but you ain't trying to relate.
Times we're overloaded with the fears we're all living in. A world that's got us caught up in the wrong decision by the ones we put in power, getting richer and fatter. The rest of us around us ain't the one that all matters. So it's us who gotta deal with the cost of your reason. It's us who gotta deal with the cost of your treason. Which way you running? Pack your bags, you know we coming.
Hey yo, you see that one man's pleasure could be the next man's sorrow. No such thing as loyalty, no good examples to follow. All we're hearing is time to fix the distortion. Nothing but death and disease in epidemic proportions. The order of the day is hate and greed. Time to take the lead, supply the basic needs, and either deal with it or you could deny it. From the worst comes the best, from the lowest comes the highest.